mean, just looking back, the reason this all started was really because of the budget process, right? The Office of the Vice President was asking for an increase in her budget. And when there was a hearing, it was revealed. All these things were revealed in time. So it started first. Let me ask you this. For the DepEd, she refused to answer questions, right? For the proposed 2025 budget. Kumbaga nagsimula naman ito because of a budget hearing.
Nagsimula yan, Karen, no? Nagsimula yan hindi dahil sa hindi pagsagot ni Sara. Nainis lang siya doon sa mga tanong na yun. Kung nagsimula yan dahil meron talaga motibo na siya ay uupakan dyan. Meron talagang grand scheme of things. Meron talagang malaking design. There is a grand design to demolish her.